Hello everyone, welcome to Sparkling Beauty Bee. Today's video is about a Chanel unboxing, and this is my first ever Chanel unboxing. I'm so happy. So before we start this video, I just want to mention that this is not the first time unboxing. I actually already took out this bag because it was such an exciting moment when I got this bag. So I immediately came back home and couldn't just wait to open it and start using it. So I already have unboxed the bag and used the bag, so this will not be my first impression with you, but I will share with you everything, how I got this bag, and yeah, all my thoughts and reviews about this bag. So let's get started. So yeah, just what I was saying, I really wanted to share with you my first impression opening the bag with you, but I was so excited that I could not wait, and I actually forgot to film when I first time opened it, but I will put some clips in this video. Like, I did some stories and stuff. I will try to share that with you if I have the clips, but let's see how it came. So yeah, this is the bag where the box was inside this bag, and this is actually the box. So let's open this. And inside it came in like that. Yeah, and I have saved everything that came in with all the authenticity card and the care, everything is here. So as you already know from the title, this is the Chanel rectangular mini, and this is one of the hardest bag to get because it's mostly all the time sold out, and it's very hard to get your hands on this bag. You know that. I'm going to tell you the whole story how I actually scored this bag. So this is my Chanel rectangular mini, and yeah, I took out the sticker from here. Look at that. So yeah, I actually carefully keep the bag. I don't want any scratches or anything. I'm really taking great care of this bag so far. So look at this gorgeous beauty. This is how it looks. It's a dream bag, and I still cannot believe that I have this bag because this is so hard to get, and I will tell you how I scored this beautiful little bag here. This bag is so popular. A lot of the people wait for this bag, and what I have learned and heard and saw all the videos, and I mean so many luxury designer bag groups, and I have seen that people saying that scoring this bag is very hard. You have to have a good score, like you have to be a loyal customer of Chanel for a long time. You need to have good reputation, and finally you can score this bag. Some people who buy luxury items all the time, like who are the Chanel's loyal customer for a very long time, even for them it took 1 or 2 years to get this bag. But for me, I was very lucky that after they put me in the wait list, it took about 5 to 6 months for me to get the call, and it was a very surprising moment. So I bought this bag this year, just a few days before my birthday. I wanted to treat myself in this birthday with something that I dreamt for a very long time, and something I really love. So I was very lucky that I got the call. I was not expecting at all that Chanel would call me for this bag. So just before my birthday I got the call, and it was a great birthday gift to myself. So actually I went to the Chanel boutique in Yorkdale Mall. I was looking for this bag. They didn't have it in the stock and they put me in the wait list. I also got another sales assistant whom I found in a group. So she was from Bloor Street and I messaged her. I told her that this is the bag that I wanted. I actually had two bags in my wish list. Either I wanted to get this rectangular mini or I wanted to have the square mini. So I am in love with both of the bags and I wanted to have any of these two, whatever was available. So suddenly after like 5-6 month mark, I suddenly got an SMS from the sales associate in the Chanel boutique from the Bloor Street, Toronto. So she texted me. She said like, it's a lucky day for you. I have this bag and if you are still interested, I will keep it for you for, you know, another few hours or maybe probably the afternoon. She just wanted to confirm if I could get the bag that day. She had it in her hands. I immediately responded. I told her that, oh my god, I could not believe that this bag was available. I was not ready at that point because I had no idea I would get a call from them. I actually forgot that I was waiting for the bag. So when I got the message, I was like, oh yes, I have been waiting for this bag for so long. It's such an expensive piece, but you know, I could not let it go. I just could not, because Chanel prices are increasing all the time and I just don't want this bag to increase more before I make the purchase, because eventually I wanted to have this bag. So I just responded her that I was coming and please keep the bag for me, and she wrote my name. She said like, yeah, it's booked for you, so are you coming today? I said, yeah, obviously I will be there, so just book it for me. So yeah, around, it was the month of June 2022. Yeah. So yeah, I went to the Bloor Street. I got this bag from the boutique, and when I saw the bag, I was like, wow, I absolutely love this. And this is the gold hardware, and this is the light gold hardware, which I think is very, very pretty, because I also love their you know, yellow gold, but this particular light gold hardware is so versatile. It makes the bag more casual. I think gold hardware is something you cannot wear all the time, but this light gold matches with everything. Like even if I'm wearing a silver jewelry or silver outfit, it goes really nicely. When I'm wearing gold jewelry, still it goes really nicely. So I think this hardware color makes the bag more versatile. I can dress it up or down no matter what. The size is also very perfect to wear it as a crossbody, and I can also use it as a shoulder bag by just wrapping the strap around and make it shorter. So here, in this way, I can make the strap shorter and I can easily carry it as a shoulder bag. So it has many options. I can easily wear it crossbody or shoulder bag. I love the back flap here, even though it does not fit my phone at the back pocket, but I can definitely put my cards or anything which I need to take out often. So this back pocket is nice. And inside the bag there is actually, inside the bag there is a good enough space that I can carry all my necessities, my phone, my cards, my keys, little bit of makeup, like everything fits really well. And also they have a number here which means which shows that this bag is authentic, so it's a cheap kind of thing inside. Yeah. So that's how the bag looks. It's a lambskin bag. It's very luxurious to touch, very squishy, soft, and feels just great. Put some pictures for you guys. I have used this bag couple of times so far. I enjoy the bag so much. I don't use it all the time because this is such a pretty expensive bag. I want to use it like for special occasions. I've used it for some special occasions, but yeah, definitely I'll be using this bag more. I think for upcoming winter this bag will be just gorgeous, especially night outing. This is just fabulous, and I feel like, yeah, I really love the hardware and the size. And yeah, about the wear and tear, I cannot tell you more. The bag has been used very few times so far, so I can give an update maybe later sometime after more uses. A Chanel bag is a very good investment because it's an expensive bag, but it makes you look, your whole outfit looks gorgeous when you carry a Chanel bag. So if I remember, I had a blog post many years back, probably during 2018 or something like that. I had a Chanel bag in my wish list forever. Over the years, my choice of bag has changed a lot. So when I made a blog post 2018, I believe, so during that time I really wanted to have a Chanel jumbo bag, but now I don't like those huge bags anymore. And also I think I love the lambskin over caviar, even though the caviar leather is more sturdy, that I have learned from the reviews that I read. But this lambskin for me is very luxurious. I think for the amount I'm paying, I would love to have this you know, smooth, squishy, soft lamb leather. It gives a whole different feeling. The caviar is more hard. So if I get you know, card holder or a key holder sometime later from Chanel, I would go for the caviar leather because that's more sturdy, and the key pouches or card holders are used more often. But for this bag, I'm very happy with the lamb leather, and it doesn't actually really scratch so easily. So far I didn't notice anything, but obviously I can do an updated review later sometime and share with you how this bag is holding up. My final suggestion, if you love this bag, if you're eyeing this bag and really want to have this bag, don't lose hope. Put your name in the wait list. So this is my first Chanel purchase. I didn't have any, you know, history of making purchase or anything like that, but still I scored this bag. So if you're lucky, you can still have this bag. You can still get a call from your sales associate. So just put your name on the wait list and let them know, knock them often, and let them know that you are really waiting for this bag, and ask them to call you whenever this is available. So it's not that you can never get it or you have to wait a year or so. You can still get this bag even if you don't have a really big purchase history. For me at least, this happened, and I'm so lucky that I have my dream bag on my hands now. The best if you're looking for this bag. I hope you really get it soon. And yeah, this video ends here today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow my Instagram so you get my daily updates and also stay connected with me. So I am going to finish this video here today, and I see you in my next video. Bye.